Hey everyone, this is John Dando again with Crawlspace Medic, and I wanted to show you all this chart. It's a chart we made to help educate customers who are having crawlspace issues about what is wood moisture content. If you have someone out to look at your crawlspace and they go under with a meter and they tell you your wood moisture content is in this range, it's helpful to know what they're talking about. So this graph we built was simply to help folks interpret what wood moisture content is. And wood moisture content is the amount of moisture compared to dry wood in a piece of lumber. And in the crawl space, you're talking about substructure framing. And so when we do an inspection, we take a device that's called a wood moisture content reader, and we stick it in it's got spikes you stick in the substructure wood and the floor framing that will read the wood moisture content. And this gives us a reading. And this graph you're looking at helps explain what each of those readings mean. And this data is from the Clemson Extension, which regulates wood moisture content in the state of South Carolina. And so we just put it in a form that was easier to understand. And so as you can see, I'll just want to walk through this real quick. 12 to 16% is really what you want your crawl space wood moisture content to be. It's healthy. It's a healthy residential substructure wood moisture content. You get into 16 to 20%. This first sentence, as you see, it says right here, readings indicate a possible elevated level of wood moisture contents, and the source of the excess moisture in the crawl space should be found. And so if you're getting a reading in that range, there probably ought to be some further investigation to figure out what's going on. If your wood moisture content during inspection is 20 to 24%, as you can see from this first sentence here, readings indicate a serious problem somewhere. The excess moisture source must be immediately corrected and the situation carefully monitored until the wood moisture content returns the 12 to 16% range. And then 25 to 30% actual and often extensive damage is evident. This is when you're going to start experiencing dry rot, which is the decay of your floor structure, mold growth, and it's a serious issue. In both of these top two ranges, or when a lot of times we would suggest installing a dehumidification system. If there's a lot of standing water, a French drain, and a sump pump, at minimum, a properly installed moisture barrier with tape seam spiked in place to really start solving this problem. And so I hope this chart's helpful. If someone comes out, if we come out, hey, you've got wood moisture content in the 16 to 18% range, you're in good shape. If it's above 20%, it's really time to start looking at what's going on and what the possible remedies could be. Feel free to call in, go on our website, ask us questions. We want customers to be educated and make good decisions about their crawl space. Thanks, John Dando, Crawlspace Medic.